Imagine the following situation. You're in bed with a woman, enjoying the moment, but when it's time to finish, some obstacles appear. Either you finish too quickly, knowing you could have enjoyed it much more, allowing her to savor, indulge, and feel truly satisfied, or you simply don't finish at all, which can be just as frustrating. The good news is, control can still be yours. Stay with me, because in this text, I'm going to share 3 ways to take charge of the situation so you can enjoy the moment much more without worries or stress. Oh, and know this, you're not alone. About 40% of men have faced some degree of sexual dysfunction, but you don't have to let that limit your life. Together, we'll learn how to finish at the right moment, when both you and she are truly satisfied. 3 steps to take charge of the situation. 1. Stop focusing on the problem. Imagine someone driving a car while looking at its wheels. Does that make sense? Of course not, right? That's what happens when you obsess over whether your performance is good or not. This constant worry only creates anxiety, which further disrupts the result. When your mind is stuck in fears and insecurities, you lose the present moment. Everything seems like an insurmountable challenge, but the solution begins with a simple shift in focus. Breathe. Inhale. Allow yourself to experience the moment without pressure. Focus on the touches, the sounds, the sensations. Anxiety creates a vicious cycle. The more worried you are, the worse the performance, which makes you even more nervous. But the secret is simple. Break that cycle now. What matters most is the connection with your partner, not a perfect performance. Remember, pleasure is built together. Let go of the need to control everything, and you'll see how things flow naturally. 2. Savor and enjoy. An intimate moment is not a race. It's a journey. Take your time and savor every detail of the experience. Don't rush. Pay attention to the touches, the kisses, the little gestures. Every movement matters. Avoid starting at 10 right away. Take it slow. Speed 1, then 2, then 3. This gradual rhythm allows both of you to adjust and enjoy the moment better. Physical and emotional connection grows stronger when you show care and attention to what's happening. Remember, women are very perceptive. They notice when a man understands the female body and values the moment. This level of care can be the difference between an ordinary experience and an unforgettable one. In addition, savoring the experience at a slower pace gives you more control over what's happening. Calm your mind, feel the moment, and see how this transforms the entire experience. 3. Stimulate your imagination. A creative mind is a powerful ally during intimate moments, and not just then, but in every aspect of your intimate life. To improve your performance and connection, it's important to cultivate your creativity in a healthy way. Avoid strong external stimuli, such as adult content websites. While they might seem harmless, these stimuli condition your mind to quick and superficial responses, harming your ability to enjoy real-life experiences. True creativity arises when you stimulate your mind naturally, fantasizing, imagining moments with your partner, or recalling pleasurable memories. It's not just about thinking of the act itself, but about building an emotional and mental connection throughout the day, the week, or even the relationship. When you let go of harmful habits, you create space to cultivate self-confidence and authenticity. The more you focus on the real world, the deeper your pleasure will be, and the more satisfying your connection with your partner. Bonus tip: integrate this into your daily life. These 3 steps are not just for intimate moments. They should be part of your routine. Practice self-care, seek self-awareness, and maintain an emotional connection with yourself and your partner. Remember, stop worrying so much about performance. Live the moment. Savor every detail. Pleasure lies in the little gestures. Cultivate your imagination. Let go of the artificial and value the real. You'll see how these practices transform your intimate life and boost your confidence. Put these steps into practice and discover a new level of connection and satisfaction. Now it's up to you.